Alright, you guys, I'm doing a short video. I only have 7 minutes. I brought back out the Powerforce Helix, and I'm just going to do I guess, regular vacuum of my house. Well, living room, not my house. And we're going to see if this works well. Have not used this in a while. Still use, see great carpet lines. This carpet is super old, so the little carpet lines that it does give, it's great. I have cleaned this carpet, but like I said, the things that come up through the house and go on in the house, stuff wasting, it just doesn't work out. Alright, I'm running out of cord and I'm running out of time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stop and show you what I vacuumed up. I just got through cleaning my carpet like a week or two ago, and it's just baked dirty. So I'm gonna show you what it picked up. That is a lot. See if I can focus. That is a lot. I have not used this Bissell in a long time. Probably a month or something like that. But it did good. So please tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, share. But definitely do not hit the dislike button. Just leave your comments below to help me improve my videos. And stay tuned for more videos.